Okay, Kid Kat. Hey, Kid Kat is on your desk. You should have be writing your name, your first name and your last name on it, as well as the date. And the title of the book is called your name, your first name and your last name, and the date. And the title of the book is called What? Living Things Need Air. So I want you all to write this down as your title. Oh, are they over there? Everyone should be writing the title down. Let's start writing the title down. Okay, pencils down when you're done writing the title so I know that you're done. Table 3, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to read this story again, and I want you to write 2 facts that you hear in your give box. So one interesting fact, you're going to write in this give box. The other interesting fact, you're going to write in this give box. Okay, and if there's more than 2 that you think of, then you can write more in the same box, but just underneath the first fact that you wrote. Okay? What is a living thing? Living things are things that grow. People, animal, and plants are living things. Which things in this picture are living and which are not? We decided yesterday that the human was living and the stuffed animal was not living. What is air? Air is all around us, but you cannot see, smell, or taste air. Look in the assignment this morning, you guys were wondering if we could taste air. This book tells you you cannot see, smell, or taste air. You can feel air moving when you are on a swing. That's another question we have. Can you feel air? Okay, any interesting facts you can write down on your worksheet, your gift sheet. Do we need air? We need air to talk, think, and move. We need air to grow. Do you hear anything interesting? I remember at the end, you came up with interesting facts that you read. It's the same thing. You can write more, Peter. We need air to grow. How does air get inside us? We take air into our body through your nose and mouth. This is called breathing. You breathe air out again that way too. So you breathe air in. And you breathe what out again? What gas do we breathe out again? Evan? Carbon dioxide. Everyone should be writing. If you already came up with 2 facts, you can write another one below the first fact. Do we need air all of the time?
Yes.
What do you think? Do we need air all the time? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Eleni?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we need air all the time. We breathe air without thinking about it. Air has oxygen in it. You cannot live without oxygen for too long. Hold your breath and see. Eventually you'll start breathing again, so you need to get air into your system. Okay, do animals need air? Raise your hand if you know that. Do animals need air? Do animals need air?
Yes.
Or do they not breathe anything? What do they breathe? Do they need air? Jordan? Do animals need air? Yes. All living things need air. Many animals breathe through their nose and mouth, like we do. Do you know the name for a bird's mouth? What is the name of it, Riley? Beak. Do all animals breathe like us? Raise your hand if you know. Do all animals breathe like us?
No.
Riley?
No.
No. Not all animals breathe like us. Insects have mouths, but they use them just for eating. Insects do not have noses. They breathe through tiny holes in their bodies. Insects do not have noses. They breathe through tiny holes in their bodies. That's a great fact to write down. Can animals breathe underwater? Some animals need to hold their breath when they go underwater. This whale is coming up for air.
Cool.
Fish can breathe underwater. They get oxygen from the water. Fish breathe through openings called gills. Those are great facts too. Fish can breathe underwater. They get oxygen from the water. Fish breathe through openings called gills. How do plants breathe? Can someone tell me how plants breathe? Leilani? Through tiny holes where? On them? Okay, let's see. Let's see if it says that. Plants do not breathe like people. They take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. All plants take in air. Little flowers take in air. So do big, tall trees. I'm going to read that again because a lot of great facts are on this page. Plants do not breathe like people. They take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. All plants take in air. Little flowers take in air. So do big, tall trees. Okay, you should have 2 facts, 2 gives on your paper that you've written down.
She's bleeding a lot. Nose? No.
Okay, everyone should have 2 gives on their worksheet. Now,
Don't put it I the last time
Okay, now that you have two gives, I want you to talk within your table and see if anybody in your table has different facts than you do, and write them in your get box. So you should get 2 new facts and write them down. You're talking with your whole table.